Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and look at how to actually complete the assignments. Okay, so if you look at each assignment, the most important part is to read the directions that the teacher has given. Okay, that will tell you where to find the items that you need and what you need to create. Okay, so let's take a look at an assignment where the student has to create something on their own. Okay, so this writing assignment, for example, says writing. Please write a short story about what you will do over spring break. Okay, so to do that, they're basically going to pull out a blank sheet of paper, only they're going to do it digitally. Okay, so they're going to hit the open button. Then you're going to come up to this create button. And you're going to choose document. Now there's 4 different types of things you can choose from in this menu. Okay, these symbols over here will kind of tell you what they are. These are very similar to the Microsoft versions of Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and those kind of things. So this blue document is like a Word document, and you can think about the symbol for Word is blue, so this symbol is blue also. A presentation, that's like a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, spreadsheet, that's just like an Excel spreadsheet. And drawing, okay, that's a lot like Microsoft Publisher. Okay, so we're going to choose, because we're writing something, we need to type something, we're going to choose document. Okay, and then what's going to happen is, it's going to pop up right down here, and it's going to have the name of the assignment with the student's name right beside it. So when I click on the title then, now I get a screen that looks a lot like Microsoft Word, and I can go ahead and type my story. You'll notice that everything automatically saves. It says all changes saved in Drive. In Google, you don't need to go to File or Save As or do any of those things. It'll automatically save for you. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and hit this Turn In button. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to turn it in? And I'm going to hit Yes, or hit Turn In. Okay, now you're going to see over here that you have a green done symbol showing that your assignment is done. Okay? Now, if a student turns in an assignment but they didn't mean to, or they need it back to make more changes, they'll need to hit this Unsubmit button. Okay? Right now it's turned in, and if I try to open it up, you'll see that it says View Only up here. I don't have any of my editing tools. I can't change and make any changes. So if I want to get my assignment back so that I can unsubmit it, or I can make more changes to it, now what I've done is I've unsubmitted, and you'll see that I have a red unsubmitted right over here. Now when I open up my assignment, all of my editing tools are back, and I'm able to edit my assignment. Okay? After I went ahead and made a couple more changes, now I can go ahead and turn it in one more time once I'm sure that my assignment is perfect. Okay, now we're going to look at the next type of assignment that you might see. Okay, so let's take a look at this math assignment. It says, please watch the video and complete the worksheet. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to need to know is how to click on this link down here. Okay, I can see that my video is right down here, so to get to it, I'm just going to click on the title of the video. When I do that, it'll open up the video for me. Okay, now it also says complete the worksheet. So to get to the worksheet that my teacher has already created for me, I'm going to go to my Open button. And instead of having to create something, my worksheet's already right down here because this is something that my teacher wanted me to fill out. So I'm going to open it, type in my answers, and then again I can hit that Turn In button. Alright, and the third type of assignment that you might see is again one of those with links. So if you look at the science assignment, it says please watch the video and answer the questions on the Google form. Okay, so I can see that my video is right down here. So just like my other video, I'm going to click on the words, and it's going to bring up my video for me. Okay, now the Google form, you'll notice, is also linked right down here. So I'm going to click on Google Forms. And to do this, I'm going to need to fill in the answers and hit my blue submit button. Okay? When I do that, that's all I need to do for a Google form. Thanks so much.